Congrats Vamshi for your success.
Yeah, thank you.
So, ఎప్పుడు పాస్ అవుట్ ఏం చదివారు?
2017
ఓకే
కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ ఇన్ టీకేఆర్ కాలేజ్.
ఓకే ఎలా తెలిసింది బిఆర్ఎన్ గురించి?
Yeah, through Google.
ఓకే
I found this in Google.
Okay.
With, great reviews.
ఓకే
4.5 plus.
Okay.
So I approached and I joined in.
ఓకే ఎలా ఉంది 4 months ఆఫ్ జర్నీ విత్ బిఆర్ఎన్?
Yeah, it's too good.
ఓకే
So total practical oriented.
ఓకే
Yeah, from 8 hours of total practicing oriented.
ఓకే ఓకే సో హౌ మచ్ సాలరీ యు గాట్?
Yeah, present 9 lakhs.
ఓకే సో విచ్ కంపెనీ?
Yes, sir. Capgemini.
Okay. Have you ever expected, you are going to get selected in Capgemini with 9 lakhs package?
Yeah, still after, yeah, before I can't, after getting to this BRN, I got that confidence and I got, still I know.
Okay. So what is the difference between normal trainings and BR and INFOTECH training?
Yeah, normal training is almost 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours training.
Okay.
And after that they will left us. In BRN, they practical oriented totally.
Okay.
They take care about individual,
Okay.
about how you are doing, how you are progress. They will cross check about our progress also.
Okay.
To every day.
Okay.
So they, if any queries, so Manjuna sir ready to give any time assistance for help.
Okay.
If we get anything.
Okay. What do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
Yeah, please join in BRN and get into software field with success.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for your feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you.